Hello guys, welcome to my Mingle host review. So in this Mingle host review, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about Mingle host. Before I start, please guys consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, subscribing and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I release a new video uh, s- about this software reviews and how you can get a huge discount on it. Um, Also comment any question you have or any software you want me to review, anything, literally anything you want to ask me in the comment section below. I will be here to answer you. So this Mingle, this Mingle host review. Let me tell you more about it. Get unlimited website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video hosting for one low price. No monthly fees, no monthly fees, promise, and make money at the same time. So Mingo host is you can also use the first link in the description box to come and watch this video here. You can use the first link in the let me just pause it. Pause it. So
In the
my
next 4 minutes, you're going to discover
okay, let me pause it right now. So you can use the first link in
a secret that's going
in the in the description box to get this software for huge discounts and come and watch this video and know more about Mingo host. So Mingo host is just a basically a web hosting service that will host your website, stopping you from paying for all these monthly fees of hosting websites like in Bluehost, Hostinga, SiteGround, or others. We all know how much it costs to host a website per year. Some cost 3,000, some cost host website, host for most things. So we know how much it costs to host a website. So if you come to this Mingled host, it will just give you a one-time price of $16 to host your website without paying any monthly fees, guys. And they promise that. So let me just read some things out here: web hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage for one-time low price, and you will make money at the same time. So you make money by promoting offers or your web store and all that at the same time. So store and deliver any type of file, video, PDF, email, doc, audio, zip, anything. Unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages. So host all your video in one spot. Back up and store unlimited files, no limits. They have no limits, have no limit of storage. High speed video embeds for any website or web page. Deliver files light at lightning speed with fast CDNS. So it means that they will host a website without you paying any monthly fees. Just pay this at only one time price. So you can only pay $16.93 to get this software that will host your website, will host your page and everything. You can come use the first link in the description box to come and read more about this website hosting. You need a website host that serves all your site with reliable speed, and they will give you reliable speed as they say here. But you're sure you're stuck paying them each month unless you want to lose your website. So you what it basically means you will just host your website once, as in host your website by paying once. Cloud storage, you have cloud storage. I can back up anything you want here, your file, video, or all that. Video hosting, you can host your video with also this software. The normal price is $97, but for now, one time price can just get it for $16.93. So I'm also going to show you how you can get a discount, another discount here. So just come here and read more about it. These are some of the people that have used it. Users are loving it. So these are some of the people that have used it. Uh, and the testimonials can go up there and read it when you use the first link in the description box below. So it's a live drive. They want the serve you then. Okay, 250 gig of storage and hosting. So you can load your account with all your important documents and files, unlimited sharing. You so you never have to worry about your account getting locked from too much actions. File preview. So you will never waste time finding the right files. So drag and drop for simple file transfer possible just like the big guy. So just drag your file and drop it it will save end-to-end encryption so nobody can snoop into your important information. They give you security backup. That's what it means. Start auto 30 days money back guarantee. Smart auto 30 days back. Sorry, smart auto 30 days backup. So you can always restore your most recent document version if accidentally deleted. You can restore them accidentally deleted. Store, deliver, and share any type of file, image, document, audio file, zip file, anything, any file you can store and share it. Lightning speed with fast CDNS. So you you are never tapping. So you are never tapping your fingers waiting for that necessary file. So let me go for the fast image load. So you stop getting penalized by Google for image that loads slowly and only. So simple dashboard. So you can easily manage your document and file stars. So you can track easily visitors to sharing page, commercial license. So you can resell space within your cloud storage account and keep 100% of the money. While it's really why is it really why is it really be okay, sorry, will it really be that easy to move my files and document to Mingle Drive? My current storage provider make it sound risky. We understand totally. You can be led into thinking and moving your files from your current cloud provider service. It's a dangerous move. That's simple, not true. It can be done in 3 steps. So this is how uh, you can move your file from your current hosting um hosting provider service. So come here. This is the demo video
Hey guys, in this
of
video,
how
I'm
it
going to
works.
show you how the Mingle app works.
This is the demo video of how it works. Don't use the first link in the description box to come here and watch the video.
So first
Let me just play the video so that you guys can watch it for a little while.
of all, this is the dashboard. And right now, like you can, they can also download the image here. All right. There are lots of options. You can create a folder.
So you guys just use the first link in the description box to watch this video. These are your biggest benefit of all our commercial license is included. So these are commercial license that are included in this Mango hosting service. So please, these are some of the bonuses that we get. Get full access to entire backup, never new viral traffic hacking software. Okay, this is a commercial resale license. These are some of them. Google start being email extractor, traffic mail cloud app, unlimited brand new custom made video chats, full unlimited YouTube analytics bundle too. So these are some of the bonuses that you get when you use the first link in the description below to get this. So you have your 100% no risk for so money back guarantee. So if you think the site that's been hosted here is not fast and all that, you can ask for refund and they will refund your money back. So you can just use the first link to read everything here. Daniel Adetonji is the person, the owner of this Mingle host. Is the person that owns it. So just come here and read everything that you need to know about this. So guys, this is my takeaway and my review on this Mango host platform. Please come here and subscribe, like, and also remember to click the bell icon so that you will notify anytime I review all these products. So let me show you how you can get your discounts. Let me just reload. I'm reloading my page. Please, bear with me. I want to show you how you can a smart trick that you can get discount after this page reloads. My internet is it's not that good this morning. I don't know why. So I don't know if you are seeing my cursor here. Look at it. Just do as if you are going out of this page. Have you seen it? I just did like I'm going out of this page. See what they say stop right here. So click the button below to get $3 discount. So this is how you can get $3 discount and get out with this Mingle host. So guys, this is my review. Please like, subscribe, and all that. I will see you in the next review video. Peace.